This solid, stable, and accurate multimeter LED intelligent instruction. All kinds of multimeters in the market are not always perfect. After studying the popular multimeters in the market, we have made great changes on the original basis, changing the chip. By changing the chip, we have developed a new function, LED intelligent instruction. At the same time, this high-quality chip is enough to show that the meter has stable performance, excellent quality, and advanced manufacturing technology. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Live wire testing. Live wire testing with a single test lead. When the fire line is detected, the screen lights up in orange backlight, and the indicator lights up, the buzzing sounds. Number 2. Continuity test. Sound and light alarm prompt. Resistance less than 30 ohms. The indicator light is green, buzzing. Number 3. Resistance value 30 to 60. The indicator light is red, showing resistance. Number 4. Temperature measurement. The product is equipped with a K-type thermocouple, enough for daily use. Measuring range. -20 degrees Celsius to 1000 degrees Celsius. Notes. The maximum measuring temperature for the K-type thermocouple dispatched is 230 degrees Celsius. Above 230 degrees Celsius, please use a stick temperature sensor. Number 5. High-quality silk printed dial. The text on the dial is printed with high-quality paint, which is clear and wear-resistant. Don't worry about the text fading. Number 6. Double overload protection. Built-in double fuses can protect the multimeter effectively. Overload protection on all ranges. Dual PTC thermistor and intelligent anti-burn. Security is outstanding. Number 7. Ideal gifts for your family and friends to do some DIY at home. You can replace this multimeter purchased here within 24 months without any reason. Number 8. LED intelligent jack. To make it more convenient for users to use a multimeter, we have made a leading design on this multimeter, LED intelligent indicator jack. It solves the problem that users always have doubts about the choice of the socket when using a multimeter. With this multimeter, you don't need to worry about this problem anymore. Switch the dial to choose the function you need. The corresponding LED light flashes to tell you which jack you should choose. Number 9. High accuracy and safe multimeter. Manual range is more accurate and stable than automatic range measurement. An intelligent LED indicator socket ensures that you can use this meter correctly, which avoids the danger of wrong socket selection. Double insulation protection ensures the safety of testing. Safety compliance CAT 3 1000 volts CAT IV 600 volts CE, RoHS certified. Number 10. Multifunctional meter and wide application. As a manual ranging multimeter, its LCD screen has TRMS 6000 counts. It can measure AC/DC voltage, AC/DC current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, duty, diode test, continuity test, temperature. These functions basically cover all aspects of circuit testing and can meet all the requirements of circuit testing. For beginners, the LED intelligent indicator of this meter helps you use it. For veterans, its functions satisfy your various uses. Number 11. Large LCD with backlight and non-contact. As a large LCD screen, it has 6000 counts with a backlight. 6000 counts make its measurement range wide enough, and its backlight and LED light make it easy to use in dark conditions. Testing can be achieved without physical contact for its NCV inductive probe. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Does this have non-contact capability? Answer. Yes, it does. Question number 2. I am searching for a current leak in a boat, 12V battery. Will this dial down to low enough amps to diagnose? Answer. Yes. It is great for finding parasitic leaks in boats and cars. Turn everything off and then disconnect the negative battery cable. Insert the meter in series with the neg-bat terminal and the end of the cable. If there is a current leak, it will show on the meter when it is set on the amps function. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.